So how do you find travel nurse assignments, and what are some of the resources available to you as a traveler? Before we talk answers on this question, I do think it's helpful to add some background here. One of the challenges currently in travel nursing is the competitive nature of the market. There are a lot of clinicians who are interested in travel nursing, and there are a lot of new agencies that have popped up over the last few years. And all of that can make it very confusing for new travel nurses who are starting out. As a new traveler, it's important for you to be aware of the fact that not all agencies are created equal from a support standpoint. Something I've seen happen often is a travel nurse partnering with the wrong agency who doesn't have that support. And it leaves a bad taste in their mouth about travel nursing. It gets them started off on the wrong foot and ultimately ruins their entire experience as a travel nurse. That's why I recommend prioritizing support and infrastructure as a traveler. And that's the best thing about partnering with Aya. It's the best of both worlds. You get world-class support and the furthest reach from the agency with the most jobs on the market. And that brings us perfectly to the answer to the original question, which is the best place to search and compare travel nursing jobs is on Aya's platform. Aya Healthcare is the largest healthcare staffing agency in the US. Partnering with Aya in your travel nursing journey gives you access to more jobs than any other agency and gives you front-of-the-line access to the best, most desirable jobs across the US. Now, when it comes to getting on Aya's platform and actually searching for assignments, the first place to start is specialty. After specialty, you can sort by day shift or night shift, location, assignment type, shifts per week, and more. Now, when it comes to deciding where to actually apply, you're going to have a lot of options. So first, I would encourage you to talk to your recruiter. They are your guide as a travel nurse. They want to see you succeed in this journey. Second, it's about knowing what your priorities are. You need to think about what you want versus what you're willing to be flexible on. You're going to have to make decisions as a travel nurse, and it's going to be helpful for you to know what your priorities are, whether that's location, pay, shifts per week, etc. I can honestly say that working with Aya was the best decision that I made in my travel nursing journey.